Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing, so here we go. Okay, so right away what I can tell you is that this feels pretty good quality actually. This feels like metal. Then we got plastic all the way around, but feels like pretty good plastic at the end of the day. And we got these guys, just to make things snap in. So let me just take this out, because that's gonna go to this. This will go in your car seat, and this does come out like this, but it only comes out to this much. So if you have a bigger car, this is not gonna fit, but on mine, I think it should. We're gonna test it out. I hope it does. I can see we can adjust this, but that's just to move the arm around once this is set up. Now this will go on your iPad or phone, although this is pretty big for a phone. So if you guys are buying this, exactly this one should fit on an iPad. It said that it would fit on an iPad 12.9 inch, so we're going to test it out on that, which is the biggest. Other than that, it's pretty small, so if you have an iPad mini, this should fit. So for a 12.9 inch, this way though, it's not going to fit the other way. So vertical, it fits. It's not going to fit horizontal, which is fine, because in the end of the day, that's the way that you want to put this. You want to put this like so on your car. But I just wanted to show you how this looks here in the start before we actually even set it up. So let's go into the setup. But before we go into the setup, let's just put this here. So we're just gonna snap it in there. So we just loosen this up and then we just snapped it in. So it's supposed to look like so. And then we can pull this wheel, make it tight. Obviously later on, once we want this to stay in a steady angle. All right, so we're just gonna set this up. Just gonna put that there and then just apply some pressure to it. And it should just snap in. Of course, I'm doing this with one hand. I think I'm gonna put this up a little bit more because I can see that it needs that extra space. There we go. And it actually snapped in just fine. Yep, so this is how it looks like. It does get in there nice and tight. Actually, it does a really good job getting in there. And you can swivel this around. This is actually much nicer than what I thought it would be. I can see with the heaviness, it'll go down a little bit, but that should be okay. I'm just gonna set up the iPad on it, but right now you guys can see how it looks like, because that's the main thing. So here it is, guys. This is a good shot, so you guys can see how this extends out. You can move this around in so many positions. It feels okay. I usually don't like this type of system because I know it does break over time, but if you don't take out the iPad too much, you should be okay. If you guys can find something that doesn't have this mechanism, or it just has springs, there's another one where you guys can screw things in. It's better, but I've only seen that for tripods, not for anything like this. So once again, this is how it looks like, and that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.